SaferVPN Guide, create a virtual Wi-Fi on Windows. Here's your ultimate guide to creating a virtual hotspot. If you're looking for a way to use your Windows or Mac computer as a router to create a Wi-Fi, this is how. With a virtual Wi-Fi you can use a VPN on any device such as your smart TV or gaming consoles. Let's get started. You can use the following as a standalone guide on how to create a virtual Wi-Fi. If you connect your computer to SaferVPN, you get the added bonuses of security, anonymity, and freedom to access any blocked site. With SaferVPN, all your traffic gets encrypted so nobody can snoop into your data, you get a new IP address so that you become anonymous and traceless online, and you can virtually reside anywhere in the world to live stream media content from whichever country you want. By creating a VPN hotspot, you can use your VPN on your smart TV, consoles, Apple TV or Chromecast to play games blocked in your country or bypass geographic restrictions on services like Netflix, Pandora, and YouTube on any device connected to your TV. Contents: how to create a VPN hotspot in Windows. Other ways to use SaferVPN on multiple devices. Part 1. How to share your VPN on Wi-Fi in Windows. Step 1. Turn your laptop into a virtual Wi-Fi. First, run command as an administrator. Find it by clicking the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If it asks you for an admin password, now's the time to fill it in. Second, make sure that the required drivers are installed. Do so by typing netshare and show drivers in the command prompt and then hitting the Enter button. Look if it says yes to hosted network supported. If it does, you're good to go. If not, either you don't have a supported Wi-Fi adapter or the current drivers are outdated. Solve it by running Windows Update and downloading the latest network adapter drivers from your computer manufacturer's website. Third, create your own Wi-Fi with SSID set to SaferVPN and password set to password. Do so by typing Enter netshare and set hosted network mode equals allow SSID equals safer key equals password in the command prompt. Then, all you have to do is running your Wi-Fi by typing into command prompt netshare and start hosted network. You'll get a message saying the hosted network started. In effect, you've now created your own virtual Wi-Fi. Notice, if you get a message saying hosted network could not be started, simply run Windows Update to make sure you have the latest drivers installed. That should do the trick. Next up, share the connection. Right-click the Wi-Fi symbol in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Open Network and Sharing Center. In the menu that pops up, click Change Adapter Settings. You'll now see your SaferVPN Wi-Fi among your connections. Right-click it and select Properties. Enter the Sharing tab on top and tick the two options Allow other network user to connect through this computer's internet connection and Allow other network users to control or disable the shared internet connection. In the drop-down menu called Home Networking Connection, choose the connection you just created, the one we named SaferVPN. Once confirming, a message will pop up, just select OK. Step 2. Connect your device to your VPN hotspot. First, run SaferVPN on your laptop and connect to your desired server. Once logged in, connect to your newly created virtual Wi-Fi with your gaming console or whatever device you want to use a VPN on. Notice that every time you restart or turn off your computer your homemade VPN hotspot will be disabled. To turn on the VPN hotspot again, simply open the command prompt and type in netshare and start hosted network and you're ready to go again. Part 2. Other ways to use SaferVPN on multiple devices. As you can see, it's not complicated to share your VPN connection by setting up your PC as a VPN hotspot. Notice however that the computer must be on while doing so, and at least on a Windows PC you must make sure to enable sharing every time you're sharing the VPN. A very simple option is to use virtual router at http://virtualrouter.codeplex.com. A popular free open source program that lets you create a virtual hotspot easily on your Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows Server 2012. Once the virtual router is up and running, use SaferVPN for Windows to connect your computer to access any website on all devices connected to your virtual router. Here's what the program looks like. Virtual router has a very simple and user-friendly interface. Just select your network name and password to start a virtual hotspot. Another solution is to get a VPN-enabled DDWRT router. We partnered with Flash routers to ship the fastest routers with SaferVPN pre-installed on them. With a VPN router, all traffic connected through your routers gets encrypted and you surf the web as if you were in any country you want. Also consider SaferVPN's multiple package to be able to connect up to 3 devices simultaneously, even at different locations.